Hello again, welcome to another Zon.Tools video tutorial. My name is Jessica, and I'll be your guide for today's video. In this video, we will show you how your PGN letter icons are clickable and where you'll be directed and what you can see when you click each letter. Each letter stands for a certain campaign. E is your exact campaign. P is phrase, B is broad, A is auto. And lastly, T for product attribute targeting or PAT. Each of these letters is clickable. Let's start with the exact campaign or letter E icon. Let's choose this PGN and click E. Take note that icons E, P, and B will have almost the same tabs, so for this tutorial we will use E. Once you've clicked the letter E icon, it will direct you to your PGN campaign info. Your landing page will be your PGN campaign metrics tab. This is where you can see your detailed metrics information. If you can remember the how to automate campaign video, this is where we got the CPC and CR7 to use for your rules wizard. In the next tab is the customer search terms. Your customer search terms are the words or phrases an Amazon users use to search for your advertised product. The next tab, the products tab, is where you will see the SKUs you have on the PGN campaign. The second to the last tab for this page is your ad groups tab. You can see when I clicked on ad group it directed us to your exact ad group. And now the last tab for your exact campaign is the keywords tab. This is where you can locate all of the keywords you have for this PGN exact campaign. As mentioned earlier, E, P and B have almost the same tabs except for one. If you notice, I now have the P or phrase campaign info open. After the keywords tab, you now have here the negative keywords. Both the phrase and broad will have the negative keywords tab. Let us move on to the next PGN letter icon, A and T. These two letter icons have the same tabs when you click on them. Like the E, P, and B letter icons, you have the metrics tab, customer search terms tab, products tab, and ad groups tab. Now, unlike on your E, P, and B campaigns, you have your keywords. For your A and T campaigns, you will see your targets tab. In this tab, you will see all the targets within the campaign. If you want to see a more detailed page where each target is, or which ad group it belongs to, you'll have to go back to the ad group tab. Let me show you a quick view of how your PAT ad groups will look. Let us click the first ad group, the defense ad group. A modal will open and you will have two tabs. Click the target ad group, and this is where you can see the targets for your defense ad group. Same as your ASIN, category, and brand, each ad group will have a modal for you to see the targets. And lastly, for this tab, you also have your negative targets tab, where you will see your negative targets if there are any. And these are all the information you'll see when you use each PGN letter icons.